Google's Pixel 6a could be a major disruptor. Last year, Google launched the Pixel 5a just a couple of months ahead of the highly anticipated debut of the Tensor-powered Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. The budget and mid-range phone markets are the fat middle for the average American consumer, and a device like the Pixel 5a with its decent specs and Google's camera voodoo are hot sellers. This is especially true when you can pick up one directly from your carrier for next to nothing. So long as you don't mind those contracts. Well, why not come with the 6A then and absolutely crush the universe? We don't have a launch date yet for it, but all signs are pointing to May and Google's I/O developer conference. So there might actually be a hardware release during that event, which isn't normally the case.
Right, or an announcement.
Could be officially available second week of May. And if the rumors are to be believed, it will mimic its flagship siblings from an aesthetic standpoint. And I guess we have a picture of a
really
box.
Cool. Yeah.
So it's got the visor. It's got the Daft Punk thing going on.
You're going to love this next little part.
It's got the Tron thing going on in the back. So Willie Doo could use it. Because he has pretty strict rules around aesthetics. Like, have you ever tried to touch his monitor?
No.
For example.
Oh, no.
Because in the frame, it takes up the lower part of the frame.
Yeah.
And if anybody ever makes a comment about it, in the chat, in the comments, anybody says,
don't get him started.
Hey, the monitor's a little bit off kilter, or it's in the frame, or whatever.
Will bans them.
I mean, I feel sorry for the consequences because I just know the way that I've suffered if I've ever even sometimes
nudged at it.
Sometimes if I look at it, sometimes if I look at it,
what are you looking at?
Exactly. So
look at these benchmarks.
Oh wow. So you're telling me, Mo, that basically a 6A is
performing better than their flagship, if not equal to their flagship.
Well, they're comparing to the 6, not the 6 Pro, but yes, I get it. He's using a 6. Why is he using a 6? I'm guessing this 6A is going to be a flagship killer.
Maybe we bring that word back.
Maybe it's real again. The flagship killer?
Yeah.
$500, under $500, crushing the universe? The display probably won't be as nice, but okay.
But if it's as snappy and aesthetically it makes you feel like you still got the new Pixel, like it's not like you're not holding the iPhone SE, like not the old models. So it might be a game changer.
Did you just say game changer on this show?
Yeah.
Well, you heard it here. Our financial advisor has now given us our latest game changer, so make your investments accordingly.
This is not financial advice.
I just want the SEC to send a note to Mo.
We're going to make an example out of you.
We would have to do like a special episode dedicated to that letter. We'd have to read it really slowly and dramatically.
Break down every...
Yeah. About this financial advisor, Mo.